Hello there, this is Easy English Joy, and welcome to our English conversation practice. And today, let's watch some English learning clips. Us slash us does comparisons. Are you ready to practice with me? Yes? Alright, let's get started. Here are some example sentences using us, as comparisons. She's as busy as a bee with all her projects. My grandfather is as tough as nails despite his age. This pizza is as delicious as it looks. He is as cool as a cucumber under pressure. The twins are as alike as two peas in a pod. The new phone is as sleek as it is functional. These comparisons are used to highlight the equality or similarity between two things. The first as is usually followed by an adjective or adverb, and the second as introduces the comparison. Here are a few more examples for you to practice. Her smile is as bright as the sun. He ran as fast as a cheetah to catch the bus. This book is as captivating as a thrilling movie. The fabric is as smooth as silk. Her laughter is as contagious as a yawn. The lesson was as clear as crystal. He's as sneaky as a fox when it comes to surprises. The night sky was as dark as coal. The music was as soothing as a lullaby. She's as gentle as a lamb with her new kitten. These as comparisons help to paint vivid pictures and create strong analogies, making descriptions more impactful. His voice was as soft as a whisper in the wind. The kitten's fur was as white as snow. She is as busy as a one-armed paper hanger. This puzzle is as tricky as a riddle. The cake was as light as air. His explanation was as clear as mud, meaning it wasn't clear at all. The new employee is as sharp as a tack. The old house stood as sturdy as a rock through the storm. He handled the situation as calmly as a monk. Her eyes were as green as emeralds. These analogies can really add some flair to your writing or speech by drawing with vivid comparisons. As last as comparisons, English learning clips. Thanks for watching.